Now I will summarize what we have studied till now. Okay. So first we have studied about the terms project management and project management. Next we have studied about the terms used in networks and the different types of networks briefly. After that we have seen about lag and lead, and moving on to the next term, we have seen forward and backward pass, how to calculate the earliest and latest times using forward and backward pass in a network. Further, we have seen the basic rules to draw a network, and next we have seen about the critical path method, what is the earliest start time, what is the earliest finish time, how to calculate the earliest finish time as well as the latest start time and latest finish time. After that we have seen about a practical exercise, that is the construction of an reinforced concrete box culvert, and using that exercise we have seen the steps involved in estimating the project completion time using Primavera. So in Primavera we have seen how to create a project calendar. After that, how to add the activities and also the duration, and how to include the predecessors as well as the relationships along with the lag or lead times. Okay, I'll stop here. We'll continue. Yeah, next we have seen how to summarize the activities and link all the activities by scheduling it using Primavera, and we have also seen how to find the project completion time and also the float finally using Primavera. After that we also seen the Gantt chart as well as the network diagram, and later we have seen the PDM network diagram manually, how to draw the PDM network diagram manually. Okay, and finally we have calculated the project completion time by forward pass and backward pass results. And we have also compared both the software as well as the theoretical calculation results, especially the project completion time and the float of all the activities were same in the software as well as in the manual calculations. Now in this image we see box culvert. Just for your understanding, I have inserted this image. So this is the box culvert section, and you can see the wing walls on both the sides of the box culvert, and on the top of the culvert you can see the parapet. Okay, I'll stop here. Yeah, next we see a sample network diagram here, where here you can see right down the first two activities. The relationship is what? The relationship between the first two activities is start to start. See, you can see that here, start to start between the first two activities, and the next activity, next two activities, the relationship is finish to start. So depending on the relationship type, the PDM diagram will slightly be varying. Okay, that is the connectivity between the activities will be different. Here it is start to start, the next two activities it is finish to start, like that, and so on. And on the top you can see, on the top you can see manual network diagram. Okay, here you can see this diagram. So in this diagram you can see the critical path. The critical path is indicated by red color. Okay, the activities connecting the critical path is being indicated by red color. Okay, and critical path is A, B, F, H, I. Also the float is mentioned below the critical activities. Float is 0, and sometimes they used to indicate the critical path by a red line, okay, or red arrow connecting the critical activities. Okay, you can see that in the you can see that in the network diagram also. Thank you.